Hello traders, hello investors. How are you guys doing today, my friends? Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today we are gonna analyze NIO's price action. NIO is such a polemic stock, right? Some people love it, some people hate it. I'm gonna share my personal thoughts on NIO, totally 100% unbiased as someone who's outside of NIO right now, just on the sidelines waiting for an opportunity, all right? So I think you guys are gonna like this video. In this case, remember to click on the like button to support this channel, subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis, and let's see how NIO is doing. Now, the trend is bearish, okay? NIO is clearly bearish, and we don't see any confirmation of any bullish sign right now, okay? So NIO is bearish. We don't see anything confirming that it is going to reverse. So in theory, NIO will just keep dropping. In theory. Now, there is some kind of reaction right now at this moment. It is quite curious to see NIO holding at this price level right now, because look at this price action over here. Okay, let me do this price action over here. Okay, it is quite curious to see this movement right now, because if we analyze the weekly chart, NIO is in a dual support level made by this purple trend line, which is connecting the previous bottom levels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and by this black line at 940. This black line over here is a gap area on NIO. And this gap was filled with an astonishing precision, and right now we see some reaction. It is quite curious to see this going on, especially right now at such a key support level on NIO. This tells me that NIO could be potentially a buy, but again, we don't see any confirmation yet. It seems it is too late to sell NIO. I mean, if you want to sell NIO, you have to sell NIO near a resistance, like near the EMA, near the previous resistance up here, near the $24, but not right now, below $10. Now it is just crazy. But buying NIO, if it reacts, it is not crazy at all, because the risk reward ratio makes sense. So as someone who's on the sidelines, I think it is more interesting to look for an opportunity to buy NIO. I am not saying that NIO it is going to reverse and we're going to see an amazing, fantastic bullish reaction and NIO is going to break all resistances and break the all-time high at $70 and we're going to be the new Tesla in 1 year. I'm not saying this. I'm just saying that in the midterm, NIO has decent chances of reacting. What if we don't react, Nathan? Well, if we don't, we're going to lose this support level, and in this case, we will just seek the next support level. This is not a problem at all. What is the next support level on NIO? $5.70. Okay, this is it. This is the plan. This is the strategy on NIO. Let's just pay attention to this support level. If we see a bullish confirmation, I think it is going to be a very good opportunity to buy. Now, what would be a good buy opportunity to your standards, Nathan? Well, first, NIO has to do this. A higher high, higher low. So by breaking the previous resistance, by breaking this line over here, around $11, I do believe NIO will have decent chances of triggering a pivot point, and then we're gonna seek higher levels, potentially the 21 exponential moving average in the weekly chart. Right now, the EMA in the weekly chart is around $16.37. It is dropping as the time passes. This EMA will drop a little bit more because it is the EMA. It is a dynamic indicator. But if you want another price target, just use Fibonacci. You may just aim at the 38.2% retracement or the 50 or even the 61.8% retracement, which is quite close to the EMA in the weekly chart that I just mentioned. So you may just aim at one of these retracements. If you see a sell sign, a bearish stop sign, any bearish stop sign near these retracements, okay, maybe it is going to be just a sell sign. You are out of it. Okay, it was a very good trade. This is it. Let's just call it a day. All right. So this is how I personally would proceed on NIO right now. It is looking quite good. It is looking quite promising. Again, the risk reward ratio makes total sense. And guys, today, our website is completely online right now. If you want to join a community, look at this. If you want to join the top 5% of traders, the best 5% of traders that can consistently beat the market, this is it. Join our newsletters, subscribe to our newsletters. My website is in the link in the description of this video now. Our strategy works. Nathan, how good is your strategy? How good are you guys? Well, our performance is public. Our track record is totally public. Look at this. We are going up 71% while the S&P is going up only 5%. So this is very good. This is priceless. If you want to join this amazing family, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Now, back to NIO. Again, it is a very promising company, but there is something very important we should pay attention at right now. Earnings. In 7 days, NIO will report earnings. So what could potentially happen? Well, in my humble opinion, if NIO is already bullish, by the time it reports earnings, I do believe earnings will just enhance the previous movement. Now, if we start dropping over here, I think NIO is going to retest the previous support level over here at $80.48. All right, so we gotta pay attention to these key points, to this blue line, to the dual support level in the weekly chart, and to earnings next week. Either way, even if NIO loses this support level, NIO has plenty of room to drop. So either way, to whatever side NIO breaks, I think we'll have a good opportunity. But in my humble opinion, I am more leaning towards a long position than a short position. We'll see, right? Only time will tell. There is no reason to be anxious or stressed about it. The future does not exist. It is only in our minds. So let's just calmly wait for an opportunity on NIO. Thank you very much for watching this video. You probably liked the content, so subscribe this channel, click on the like button. Remember, click on the like button to support me. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.